We were having a conversation. The conversation was about the constant question which was nagging her, and it is whether to speak or not to speak. She was never in her own. She was always in constant fear. She was worried, if I say something and I'm wrong, what will happen then? Maybe the other person is right. What will everyone say about me? What will everyone think about me? It is much better to keep quiet and just listen to the rest of the people. This is her comfort zone. But then I told her, if you are not going to speak up, how will the world know that you exist? I believe who does not have the courage to speak up for their rights cannot earn the respect of others. Voices is not just about voice. Voice is so fundamental to having a self that women without a voice lose themselves. Every time a girl is told to shut up or not allowed to speak up, ultimately they lose confidence in living. They are diminished to just a shadow. The problem is not with my friend Arushi alone. And yet I have been surprised at the widespread fear in speaking up. When there are hundreds or thousands of Arushis, the problem is not personal. It is systemic. It is political. It emerges because of inequality in power at home, reflected in the social, economic, political, and religious structures of society, which train women not to challenge and not to speak up. A woman who keeps quiet fits the society's definition of a good moral woman. As each woman hides her problems, each woman like Arushi becomes further alone. Silence about big issues starts with silence about the little issues. For some reason, our culture influences us not to speak up. But I think your silence will not protect you. So raise your voice. Free to speak up. Speak your mind even though your voice shakes. Do comment me in the comment box. Have a good day.